Verifying your bank account on Udemy is an important step to ensure you can receive payments for your courses. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Udemy account. Access your Udemy account by entering your email and password on the Udemy website. Make sure you are logged in to proceed with the verification. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Go to Payment Information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Add your bank account. Click on the option to add a new bank account. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm your bank account. After entering your bank details, Udemy may require you to verify your account. Follow the instructions provided, which may include confirming small deposits made to your account. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation notification. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on Udemy. This will enable you to receive payments for your courses without any issues.